Okay, team. According to these plans, we've got a big job ahead, but it's gonna be so much fun.
Ah, yes. This looks like the perfect spot for the new playground. The soil is soft, and the flags mark the boundaries perfectly.
Inch by inch, we're making this path perfect. Nothing stops a determined little dozer like me. And just like that, we smooth it out. Perfect for building something wonderful right here in the sunshine. These materials are the best! Look how shiny they are! I am so proud to deliver them! All right, team, let's carefully spread these stones. Nice and smooth now, creating the perfect base for our new road. All right, let's get this packed down right. Nice and firm. All done here. Who's ready for some fresh, shiny asphalt? Nothing quite like laying down a fresh coat of asphalt during golden hour. Look at that shine.
Wow, look at that! My finest work yet! This road is ready for adventure.